to do something na nai-involve yung mga kababaihan because I think yan yung kailangan natin itakal sa nangyayari sa mundo ngayon.
Right.
You know, nakakatuwa kasi especially the young ones, the Gen Zs, sila yung nagiging representation na eto kami ngayon. So I really talked to Deej before saying yes to this project. Sinabi ko, love, is it okay if I want to do something alone muna? Promise, wala akong ka-love team, wala akong ka-partner, wala muna. Pero parang gusto ko gumawa ganun. Tapos siya din, gusto niya gumawa, which is the project na he'll be doing with Tanaman. So it was a personal choice for the both of us na we wanted to do something na alone muna. So pag alone, sinabi ko, anong gagawin ko? Oh my God, I want to do something na may kinalaman sa mga kababaihan. I want to inspire my fellow women. I want to empower them. And I want them, lahat ng mga babae dito, to see kung sino character yung kakapitan nyo after watching this film. So, yun, nakakatuwa kasi when they pitched this to me, the story and the character of Philo is very strong and empowered, and I wanted to give justice to that character. And hopefully, after watching this, isa yun sa mga marirealize nila. So yeah, nakakatuwa kasi as you can see, puro babae kami din na nandito. Ito yung mapapanood din. And you'll just see na kung gaano katapang, kung gaano kalakas ang mga kababaihan.